Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching TubeMate. In this video, I'm quickly going to have a look at the new features of WordPress 5.9, which just got released yesterday on 25th January 2022. It's going to be available. So you go to simply admin area and you can upgrade it. But before you do that, there are a few changes you definitely want to have a look and try before you upgrade your theme, because this might break few of the blocks that was part of 5.8. Okay, so this ships with editor, which is theme editor, supports the block based theme, which is 2022. So you can see under I have this 2022 active, and you can see under appearance you're missing all the features. But again, you're getting few more features, which is basically for new folks, kind of new people who are trying to, basically for the new bloggers, businesses who want to do things themselves, because it's the generation is DIY generation. So I think every companies want to give that feeling that yes, you can do it yourself, and we give you the tools. So that's what I think WordPress is trying to do. And the market trend is also telling that yeah, there's a demand. So here we go. Now let's quickly have a look at the new features. So if you're using WordPress 5.8 and below, and you're using a block editor, so this is a post that I just created, basically updated. So by the way, you can quickly go ahead and have a look at the 5.9 new features. So you simply go ahead and click on this learn more. So the first thing first, it ships with 2022 theme, which has block theme and template, which supports templates like Shopify already have turned in. Yeah, so similar feature, but I'm not saying it's kind of borrowed idea. I didn't say that. This is just coincidence. Your personal paint box awaits, so you might get this new feature here. We may have a look. So navigation block, I will separately create a new video for navigation block. More improvements and updates, better block control. So there are few more kind of new features added to the existing blocks that we have been using. Patterns, yeah, gallery pattern, columns and all that. Headers, kind of these are sections, so sections, right? Header could be a section. Footer, maybe there's a footer as well. Advanced list view, what is that? Okay, so list view only for, oh I see, I was thinking if there is such feature, let's say there are 5 headings and 10 paragraphs, few images, I have to move parts from top to bottom. I can simply click somewhere on the top here and drag and drop. So that feature is available here now. And better gallery block, let me see. So I'm not happy with, but you're giving this this option, I guess. I missed this. Okay, so I will check that as well. I think I will be able to explain it better now. I already had a look at this gallery, so we will check that gallery again. WordPress for developers, block themes, multiple style sheets for blocks. This is good for basically, so if you're going to use multiple style sheet instead of just style.css, it's going to improve the site performance overall. So this is good. Reference gallery block, refactored gallery block, we will check that. Block level locking, will have to create a new video on this. And then they've also started already working on WordPress 6. So let's see what are these features. So you can see this is basically a post that I'm trying to update. So if you go to here, so this is basically list. I can drag and drop right there from. Okay, this is what they're saying, list view. You see, it's saying list view. That's if it's still not clear, let me just drag this down. Oh yeah, you see this? So you can do this kind of drag and drop thing from this list view. Initially, before this feature, I had to completely kind of use this arrow. Yeah. Okay. So let's check this gallery feature. So previously with 5.8 and below, I had this option to kind of block feature for gallery. Now it's completely image. So you can link to media file, attachment page. I would go with media file. So media file, and then you can use some plugin to kind of get people to slide. So when you go to paragraph, which is most used block, you get these options. Typography, let's see. Line height, oh, you see these are all features. So line height, you can go one by one. You see, awesome. Okay, so this is going to be good stuff. Letter case, you see, this is all right. Or you can do directly from here. You see, depending on your requirement. But what is this doing? It's completely not you want. It's basically, and this does something different. This might be good for your title, but not good for the paragraph, I guess. Okay, so oh, you can do that as well. Anyway, so advanced you have just for this block. Okay. Well, you see what they're saying is, so you might have heard of this table of content, I guess. You can simply say first. Let's see what happens. Save it. Let me make one more block. So duplicate it and go down. I want to say, select this one and say second. Hopefully this is going to be first. Stay first, right? And then go to heading. Hello world. Again. You get all the default features, right? With the paragraph and the title. Alright, so let's go ahead and update this one. So duplicate it one more time. Quickly go change this to go to advanced third. Okay. So let's see what happens. So if I go ahead and save first. Oh yeah, you see. This is basically page fragmentation. Second, it's good for SEO. People were using many plugins for this. So you see, this is good. Okay, so this is the feature which you get with this new 5.9. Oh, you see these are new color patterns, text colors. That's big one. Theme default. I'm going to clear it. Background color. Maybe hard for people to read. Try using a darker. You see. Okay. Should be gone, right? Perfect, perfect, perfect. I think it's in the right direction. So here we go. I'm going to view it again. And what happens when you click on it? So this takes you to a new URL and you don't want that experience. For that, what you should do, you should go ahead and add a new plugin. Plugin, you see classic editor. A lot of people are still using it. So what I'm going to do, I think it's light box or something. Simple light box. This is going to be okay. So if I go ahead and lightbox photo swipe, I'm using this plugin, not that one. So let it be downloaded and installed. I'll activate it. I'll remove that plugin. So I like this interface of this plugin. So you come here and now if you click on it, and this is what you'll get. So this is a good experience, right? Rather than that, the previous one. This is not good experience. Okay, so there are a few features. Let's see. The other feature, which is basically, I think the biggest feature of this release, is going to be the block editing. So you will have to first get into edit site. So before we had this customizer, now we have edit site, depending on what version of WordPress you are using. And then you can see you get to choose the templates. You have on this here, I don't know why they call it template. This is not a template. Oh, the template area, I see. Browse all templates, but here, oh, these are templates, right? So added by this theme. Let's go ahead and view the home page. And now once you've selected the template, I think they should give you all the common templates listed here. Excuse me. And then now you can change header dark small. Let's see. Oh, this is an image, so you can replace it. Also, you can change your image right from your front end. So I can go ahead and change. What is that? Site logo, change block type. You can change the block type, or you get the option. You can replace it, upload, reset. So I added this from the front end. Now the other thing you can see here, I have changed, so they are in, like previously people used to use plugin to edit these things. So it was powered by WordPress, I changed everything, so you can change the URL as well. So I think the users are getting more control over the most of the things with this particular upgrade, which is good. You can also change this particular text here. Let's see what we have. Do we have anything? No. So yeah, this is a spacer, and this is where you are document query loop, still using query loop, post template, group, spacer, template, group, column, columns, column, and then you get to this sidebar, which is awesome. Okay guys, so that's the default template, and this is how you can edit things here. If you go ahead and select footer, this will take you to the footer and you will be able to customize your footer. Otherwise, you can go to browse all templates, select your particular template, and then edit your template. Or you can go to dashboard, template parts. These are template parts, right? On the site, oh, it takes you back to the previous toggle navigation. You go to dashboard. I must save the changes, but I haven't made any change here. If I go to site, I must save the changes. Okay, are you ready to save? This has been modified or edited. Go ahead and save it, this particular template part, and then I can go to, I don't want to go there, I can simply click this one and then dashboard. I can then I have all the features. Now let's see what we have. Theme. So you can see plugin file editor, theme file editor, erase personal data, export. These are features that have been moved here in the settings, from here and from here if you're using block-based themes. Privacy is right in the setting. Huh? This is the new thing which you have under settings. Policy guide, definitely something new. Alright guys, so this is kind of a quick look at WordPress 5.9 with this 2022 theme. I will make more videos on WordPress 5.9 with this particular theme, which is 2022, and keep posting right here on the channel. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe if you can. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye for now.